Hi, I'm here to talk a little bit about Astronomy Club and the wonderful things that Zvi Greenblatt does with our students. I met Zvi about 3 years ago at a space camp for Interested Visually Impaired Students, which is held in Huntsville, Alabama. And it is a week-long program. We had a deafblind student who was having difficulty understanding the concept of constellations and stars, and so Zvi met with us during that week, and together we produced Braille and tactile images of these constellations, and the student was able to discover and learn, and you could just see the excitement and joy on this student's face. And we all just kind of fell in love with it. And so over that summer, we kind of brainstormed, how can we make this available to more students? How can we make astronomy accessible? And together, we formed this team of myself, Zvi, and Mr. Harper, and you'll see him in a moment here. And we have studied the moon. We did tactile 3D images of the moon. We did 3D printed Mars the following year, and this year we are studying Mercury. We hope that in the future we can work with Zvi and have other schools for the blind join us together. We also would like to thank the special guests that Zvi has invited each time. We've had guests from Germany and other parts of the world who have been able to instruct and educate our students on different features on the moon, on Mars. We just would like to thank Paris. Thank you, Zvi.
I'd like to thank Zvi for all of his hard work. My job is to be the 3D print guru. 3D printing is fun, but it takes a really long time. For like Mercury here took about 3 days to print, and then we had to glue it together. So my job has been to kind of a 3D person and help with tactile models and stuff. Being visually impaired myself, I really understand kind of how to make stuff accessible to make it work.
Well, the reason why I joined the Astronomy Club is because I wanted to learn Mercury, Mars. I wanted to learn the planets, and I wanted to discover who made the moon. And for just advice for the future astronomy members, maybe you'll learn something new. You can read it in a book, you can read some things in a magazine, or you can even look at pictures or watch videos. I would like to go to Mars because it had the Olympus Mons. Well, I think the club has impacted me a lot because I got to learn by looking at tactile models and feeling them and how astronomy works. The club has inspired me only because I got to learn from a guy named Zvi.
And what is Olympus Mons? Okay. Where is it? Which planet are we even?
Mons.
And who is a big part of our astronomy club and helped us learn so much?
That's it.
And you want to say thank you?
Thank you.